Good morning, dear students. Let us learn maths. Kindly take your textbook, page number 108. Page number 108. Exercise number 4. Dear students, before we start doing this exercise, please remember, when a number is divided by itself, it gives one as answer. When a number is divided by itself, it gives one as answer. Secondly, when a number is divided by 1, it gives number itself. When a number is divided by 1, it gives number itself. Thirdly, 0 divided by any number is 0. 0 divided by any number is 0. Division of a number by 0 is not possible. Division of a number by 0 is not possible. Okay. Let's see the exercise. Fill up the blanks. A. 13 divided by 13 equal to dash. In the blank you have to write 1. When we divide 13 by 13, answer will be 1. B. 21 divided by 1 equal to dash. In the blank you have to fill 21. When we divide 21 by 1, answer will be 21. C. 7 divided by 7 equal to dash. In the blank you have to write 1. When we divide 7 by 7, answer will be 1. D. 72 divided by 1 equal to dash. In the blank you have to write 72. When we divide 72 by 1, answer will be 72. E. 200 divided by 200 equal to dash. In the blank you have to fill 1. When we divide 200 by 200, answer will be 1. F. 0 divided by 11 equal to dash. In the blank you have to fill 0. 0 divided by 11 equal to 0. G. 0 divided by 100 equal to dash. In the blank you have to write 0. Dear students, already I told you, division of a number by 0 is not possible. Okay. J. 49 divided by 1 equal to 49. In the blank you have to write 1. Okay. 49 divided by 1 equal to 49. K. 160 divided by dash equal to 1. In the blank you have to write 160. When we divide 160 by 160, answer will be 1. L. 151 divided by dash equal to 151. In the blank you have to write 1. When we divide 151 by 1, answer will be 151. M. 1 divided by dash equal to 1. In the blank you have to write 1. N. Dash divided by 720 equal to 0. In the blank you have to write 0. Hope you got it. Next you see 4 ways of writing division. How many ways of writing division? 4 ways. Division can be written in 4 different ways. Let's see. 12 divided by 2. First way of writing division, 12 divided by 2. Second ways of writing division, 12 divided by 2. And third ways of writing division, 12 divided by 2. Fourth ways of writing division, 12 divided by 2. Next, 14 divided by 7. Dear students, please carefully see the different ways how we can write. Here it is given. Okay. 14 divided by 7. First way of writing. And second way of writing, you see in next column 14 divided by 7. And third ways of writing, in third column you see 14 divided by 7. Fourth ways of writing, in fourth column you see 14 divided by 7. Next 42 divided by 6. How we have to write? In different four ways. You see in first column 42 divided by 6. Second ways of writing 42 divided by 6. Third ways of writing 42 divided by 6. Fourth way of writing 42 divided by 6. Next 35 divided by 5. First way of writing you see 35 divided by 5. Second way of writing 35 divided by 5. Third way of writing 35 divided by 5. Fourth ways of writing 35 divided by 5. Next 54 divided by 9. First ways of writing 54 divided by 9. Second ways 54 divided by 9. Third ways 54 divided by 9. Fourth ways 54 divided by 9. Next 36 divided by 4. In first column you see first way of writing 36 divided by 4. In second column you see second ways of writing 36 divided by 4. In third column you see third ways of writing 36 divided by 4. In fourth column see 36 divided by 4. So all these exercise you have to write down in your textbook itself. Okay, and learn from the textbook. Thank you dear students.